Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and today I'm doing a video that absolutely no one requested, and that is showing all of the unicorn things I currently have with me in my house. I may have forgotten something, so there may be more. First up, I have this red lipstick that I'm currently wearing on my lips. This is the Morphe X Jeffree Star collab, and this is in the shade Unicorn Blood. Then I have this cute little unicorn mug from Typo. My best friend Simone also got me a similar one, but I'm so sorry I dropped it and it broke. Then I have this cute little see-through unicorn teacup, and I actually got this from Mr. Price Home and it was on sale. I literally drink tea in this. That's all I drink in here. Next is this cute little unicorn mug. It has the same print on both sides. Douglas got this for me as an apology for breaking all of my other mugs. Next, I have this wine glass that I drink a cool drink out of. And it has this really cute gold rim. I also got this from Mr. Price Home. Next, I have this glass from Typo that says always be yourself unless you can be a unicorn, and it's really old. I'm surprised I haven't broken it yet. I have these unicorn salt and pepper shakers. How cute is this? I think this is from Mr. Price Home. My friend Shantae got this for me for my birthday, so thank you for that. I love these. The holes are on the top, and at the bottom you put in the spice. I have these unicorn sticky notes in blue as well as yellow, and I got this from a store called Halo. I also have these unicorn sticky notes, which I've hardly used, but they're so cute. Just look at the bottom, it says dreams. Oh, I love sticky notes. Then I have these unicorn sticky notes, which are kind of old and used, but I love them. I have this unicorn patch that I can paste or stick or sew on any clothing. I have this unicorn squishy that my friend Emma gave me for my birthday. I'm so sorry I squished it broken. This first unicorn pen is also from Emma. She got this for my birthday. And next, I think Shantae gave this to me for my birthday. And then I have this unicorn one that I think Naskaya gave me for my birthday. Guys, please stop buying me pens for my birthday. And I have this unicorn notebook that I bought from Pep. Ooh, this is a new book. I bought this from Mr. Price Home. I am obsessed with it. I think it was like 70 rand, and it's hardcover. That's what got me. It's hardcover and it has ruled lines. I have this unicorn phone case that I bought from eBay. It's for my iPhone 5S, my old phone. And I have this cute see-through hard iPhone X phone case for the current iPhone that I'm using. And how gorgeous is this pink glitter with little stars in? I could honestly watch this the whole day. And then I have this black hard rubber case with movable glitter and sequins, also stunning. I was actually gifted this phone case from a store called LAUT. I will put their store link down below in the description. And it is a German-based company, so you know this is top-notch quality. And it just says too glam to give a damn on it. This is just some of my phone cases. I'm kind of a phone case hoarder. Of course, I have a unicorn face mask. Did you think I didn't? Then I have these cute little unicorn earrings that I'm sure are part of Lovisa's kids jewelry range, but I'm a kid at heart, it's fine. And I have these rainbow earrings from Lovisa as well. Then I have this cute little teeny tiny baby sterling silver unicorn necklace that Shantae got me for my birthday last year. Thank you very much for that. This is so cute and elegant. I have this little unicorn sign that I can hang anywhere and says believe in magic, and Douglas got this for my birthday a couple of years back. Next, I have this 35i Icy Fantasy Morphe palette, and it's not a unicorn, but I think it's super unicorn themed. Just look at all of these gorgeous pastel and shimmer colors. I have a full review video on my channel, so do make sure to check that out. Next, I have this Unicorn Kisses whipped soap from Simply K Bath and Body, and I've really been using it. It's so gorgeous and smells so good. And then I have these unicorn tote bags. The Love Wins one is from Emma. Thank you, Emma. And of course I have unicorn slippers. Did you think I didn't have unicorn slippers? These are from Pick n Pay Clothing. I have this super cute pink glitter hairbrush that says be nice and enjoy life. Next is this unicorn night dress that I picked up from Mr. Price Clothing. Yeah, so you know it was cheap. I have these unicorn socks with this weird deformed looking unicorns on it. I have a pink one and I have this grey one, and they're from Jet. Then I have this unicorn plushie and her name is Stella. I did purchase her from Pick n Pay a while back. I'm sure you're familiar with her. This is Ozia, and Douglas actually gave this to me in 2015, I think. This is Albert the albino snake, and that's his full name. Just look at these gorgeous sequins on him. I know he's not a unicorn, but he's just so gorgeous. And look at those cute little beady eyes, man. Oh, he's so cute. And then I have one of those transforming unicorn pillows. So when you flip the sequins, it forms a whole new unicorn. And I got this from a local store in Port Elizabeth, and I forgot the name of the store, but they sell really cute stuff. I have this laptop case from Mr. Price Home. There's no unicorns, but they might as well have put unicorns on there. And of course my lab coat has a unicorn on it, and I just sewed on that unicorn patch. And that's it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!